Hello everyone. Today I wanted to do a makeup look inspired by Ryujin from ITZY, specifically from their Not Shy music video. Obviously I'm not Korean, I'm just out here doing my best, so in case I'm pronouncing her name wrong, please forgive me and feel free to help me in the comment section. I actually like ITZY a lot. I think they're a really strong, well-rounded girl group. And personally, I really like the song. I think Not Shy is definitely different from their usual concept. And for me, it's really rare that I actually like a song on first listen. I know some people either love it or hate it, so let me know what you think. Originally, I wanted to do Leah's look, which was this like dark purple, almost plummy eye with a little bit of liner and like a rosy or like a whatever kind of lip, but I could only find one promo picture and a bit here and there in the music video. However, I decided to do Ryujin's instead because I thought it was really vibrant, really fun, and even though I can't say for sure what the exact makeup looks like, I feel like I have somewhat of a better idea of what it's supposed to be, if that makes sense. Again, this is an inspired look, so if this isn't 100% accurate, don't kill me. We're just trying to have a good time here, okay? So I grabbed a few screenshots from the music video that I think could work as good reference photos. The look is this really bright fluorescent neon pink eyeshadow with a really bright kind of like a metallic glitter inner corner moment, a little bit of a kind of warm toned neutral under eye, and then what looks to me like a kind of like a nudie coral moment, warm tone neutral moment on the lips. Again, I'm just taking my best guess. So yeah, let us get into it. Of course, the day I decided to film a makeup video is the day my skin decides to break out, but that's life. So I'm gonna start by priming my face. I'm using Morphe's Equalizer Foundation Primer. I personally like smoothing primers. That makes my skin feel really soft and even in texture. And then for foundation, I'm using my current favorite. Y'all have seen it so many times already. I apologize. Once this runs out or expires, I'll try something new. L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 400 Pearl. And I'm taking this over my lid as well just to create a neutral base. Oh, this is the Body Shop's foundation brush. So I forgot my setting powder, which is Morphe's Bacon Set setting powder in the shade Translucent. I'm just going to set the foundation. The one thing I don't like about this powder is that if you use too much, you get a flashback Mary moment. But besides that, I think it works really well. This is the Body Shop's contouring palette. I'm gonna use, what is this? Morphe's M532. I'm just gonna do this to very lightly contour my nose. So to keep up with this like warm toned pink moment, I'm gonna use IT Cosmetics Ombre Radiance. What the hell is this? IT Cosmetics Ombre Radiance Blush in the shade Je ne sais quoi. And I'm gonna take Max 188 small duo fiber brush. It's a stippling brush. I'm gonna smile like this and apply horizontally ever so slightly. Her blush is probably matte. I think this might have a little bit of shimmer, so whatever. For brows, I'm using another Morphe product. What is this? Micro Brow Pencil? I think the shade is Biscotti, whatever their like light blonde shade is. Don't judge me, these are my quarantine eyebrows. I have not been able to visit a salon to get them done. I'm just making little strokes to mimic hair and then using the spoolie to blend it out. Usually when I film videos like these, I typically test out the makeup a couple of times just to see if I can get it looking as close as it needs to be. However, we ain't doing that this time. We're just gonna go right in, try it out for the first time on camera together. So what I'm gonna do first is take a creamy white base. This is NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm going to apply that to the lid directly and then take a large shader brush. This is Max 252. And carefully blend that up to the crease to create a nice bright base for our eyeshadow. So it looks like the pink is like really concentrated on the crease. We don't really want to like blend up and blow it out at the edge. We just want to keep it pretty tight. So I'm gonna take a smaller shading brush. This is Max 242 and dip into this really bright kind of magenta or fuchsia color and very carefully pack this all over the lid. I know what you're thinking.
Tara, you should have done your eyes before your base.
True, but I'm not that kind of gal. Even if I do a really intense smoky eye, I almost always do my base first. All right, so this is definitely a little more cool tone than I was anticipating, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. I guess I'll try to blend it a little bit. I don't know. So I'm gonna take Terracotta from the Lorac Pro 3 palette on a teeny weeny tiny shader brush from Eco Tools, and starting from the outer corner, I'm just going to apply it and work it down. And if you can kind of see, I've made it so the placement of the shadow is wider towards the outer corner and then it tapers a bit thinner towards the inner corner. Take a little ColourPop blending brush just to gently diffuse those edges. Let's just have a little fun here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this metallic pale yellow from my Coastal Scents 120 palette one. Put that about halfway down. It's very subtle, but I think that can work. So now we are gonna take the white cream base from before. I guess I'll just take it on this little Eco Tools pencil brush. Pop it in the inner corner to create a nice sticky base for our glitter. And then I'm gonna take this really pretty pressed metallic glitter from the Rude Cosmetics Manga Anime palette with the same brush, and I'm just going to very carefully pack it on. So I'm gonna take Jet Black from the Lorac Pro 3 palette and Max 266 small angled brush, and very thinly, ever so slightly, line my upper lash line and wing it out just a little bit, just to give us a little definition without making it too bold. And I also connected the liner ever so slightly to the outer corner of the lower lash line. So to finish off the eyes, I want to tightline with Maybelline's Lasting Drama Matte Automatic Pencil in the shade 860 Jet Black to intensify the liner look while also filling in the lashes. And then I'm gonna use NYX's eye and eyebrow pencil in the shade 915 Taupe down my waterline to help pull the look together and make everything look a little more cohesive. Curl my lashes. This is Tarte's Ladies Who Lash. Then for mascara, I'm gonna try something new. This is Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara in the shade Very Black. And I'm applying this to my upper lashes and just a touch on my lower. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using my Tony Moly Monsta X Get It Lip Tint S in the shade 5. I'm going to carefully, ever so slightly create a gradient effect. Very gently pat it. And then last but not least, to set the face, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is an oldie but goodie. Oh, 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 oh. The nozzle is not a fine mist. That was going to end horribly. And I think we're done. What do you think? How did I do? Do you think I achieved something that looked close to what Ryujin has in the music video? Is this the kind of look you would want to recreate and try on yourself? Based off the screenshots I grabbed from the music video, I think I did a decent job. It's definitely unique, very pretty, colorful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more videos like this and other fun things. And until next time, please take care and stay well.